Hi everybody, my name is Ken LaMothe with Credit Education Group. I want to drop a quick video to kind of give you my experience with the M.B.A. class. This class has been life-changing for me because of the things that we were able to get in the class, things that I didn't know, things that I thought I was doing right, wasn't quite complete. There are so many things that I learned. One of the major takeaways that I did take from the class was to actually set time aside every single day to do something to make even little small accomplishments. You know, those were big. They made you feel better about your day. It gave me better targeted dates and times to do things, and I joined it just for the simple fact of being able to try to be better at the things that I was doing, to know why I was doing them, what I need to know, and to be better in it. Listen, if you're on the fence about wanting to take a class or be better, don't be. Take it. It's worth it.